Walking through the cracks of the foundation, I see the rot in the heart of the nation. Neon lights casting shadows on the misery, selling us a future that's just a broken history. Selling us a future that's just a broken history. They build the walls higher, the streets getting narrow. I'm just a ghost with the spirit like a broken arrow. Can you hear the sound? Can you feel the heat? The system's collapsing right beneath our feet. Locked inside this concrete cage, building up a fire inside the rage. The skyline's falling, the steel is turning cold, choking on the lies that we were sold. And I'm screaming out, but the city doesn't care. Just another soul lost in the thin dead air. Concrete jungle where the wild ones wither. Watch the golden promise start to shiver. They trade our time for the plastic and the chrome. We're strangers in the place we call the home. The gears are grinding, the oil's running black. There's no map out and there's no turning back. Shatter the crime, and there's no turning back. Shatter the mirror, tear down the frame. Everything is empty, nothing is the same. Burn it all. Locked inside this concrete cage, building up a fire inside the rage. The skyline's falling, the steel is turning cold, choking on the lies that we were sold. And I'm screaming out, but the city doesn't care. Just another soul lost in the thin dead air. Just another soul lost in the concrete. It's all broken.